How to find support for Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find support for Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down to the support section. And now here, in this section, you simply have to tap on Help Center. And now here, in this section, you can also access the support website in this section. And here, if you want, then you can simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, you can simply see resources for the Snapchat support, or you can simply use the Snapchat support website as well. So here, you can simply open any browser, and there you can simply type help.snapchat.com and simply search for it. And there in that page, you can access the topics like account recovery, privacy and safety, technical issues, and snap and story problem. So there you can tap on any article for step-by-step guidance. And if your issue isn't resolved, then you can simply scroll down to the bottom, and there you can simply tap on contact us option, and after that you can simply fill out the form with the issue including your mail and submit it, and Snapchat support will send or respond via the email. And that's it. That's how you can find supporters for Snapchat. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.